These are few of artist Ramya Sadasivam's courses. This is the portrait painting course for beginners. As soon as you purchase the course, this is where you will be enrolled. This is the login. After you log in, the course will be visible to you. This is not an application, this is just a browser friendly site. This site works fine in almost all the browsers. So I'm going to run you through the chapters. These are the chapters. When you click on a particular chapter, you will be able to view the video under the chapter. You can adjust the quality of the video here. This is the seeker. You can pause and play here. You can watch and learn, and whatever is taught in the particular chapter, the reference photo of the taught content is attached under the same topic. The image is a downloadable material. You can download it and practice with that as reference. When you click on this button, the video is going to extend to full screen and you will be able to view the content even better. This is a site that is viewable in mobile, tab, laptop or any other gadget. So you do not have to worry about it. It is a one-time purchase, then you will have lifetime access to this course. There is a meter here. This will show you the percentage of the course that you have finished and it will motivate you to complete the course. Once after you finish the course, you can redo the course any number of times you want. Once after you finish the course for the day, you can log out. A mail will be sent to you as soon as you purchase the course, which will have the link of the course. This mail will have the procedure to sign up, log in and change password. There has been no complaint from any of our students so far, so you are in safe hands. That is about the course.